if your husband ever tries or is vulnerable with you, don't you ever use that vulnerability against your husband, against someone you love, because he shares that in a sacred spot, right? There's like so many things that you've shared with me that I would never turn around and try to use against you to hurt you or to manipulate you or to, you know what I mean? And I think that's a really, really, because there is a lot of hurt that these women have. There is a lot of mistrust and there is a lot of things. And so badly, I think sometimes they want to retaliate and they want to get that, like, I just want to hurt you like you hurt me, right? I mean, we see it all too often in the world.
Especially the comeback guys. And the truth is, they did, and I completely understand where the women come from on this. Like, dudes cheated.
Right.
You know, they cheated. They
messed up a lot.
They messed up a lot.
Yeah.
They drugged the family through hell. They right. And the wife and the husband, they decided to stay together though.
Right. And
that's the key thing.
And that's where I'm going with that. So those that choose to stay together, you are choosing in a sense to look past and to tell your husband, you know what? I believe in the man and the leader that you are going to be from now on. And because of that, because I know the man that you are going to be in and you're proving it to me, despite the hurt in the past, I'm not going to use that against you because that's not going to help us. That's going to hinder us. Right. So allow him to feel safe and comfortable and to share those vulnerabilities as the leader and the man that he is becoming, proving that he is becoming, right? Because there's going to be guys that mess up. Hey, that's on you, right? I wouldn't trust you either. I wouldn't. I'd be like,
so. If a dude is, I mean, I can play the devil's advocate on it, but if a dude keeps fucking up, then yeah, you need to get away from him. It's just that simple.
Honestly, sometimes, and people don't want to hear it, but sometimes it is best to part ways, right. And you will be happier.
And if you're a dude who's doing the right thing, but you've hurt your wife for 10 years,
right?
Don't expect her just to lay there with her legs spread wide open and say, "Come fuck me all day long," right? Because it's not going to happen,
right? And right, the husband has to realize that just because you're this man now for a month, 2 months, 3 months, maybe it'll take
for
maybe
some guys
a year.
It takes a couple years. And there's still things for me that people hold against me 7 fucking years,
right? Exactly.
Not a relationship, but 7 years, I'm still fucking hearing shit. Actually,
but if it's something that is truly important to you and that you truly believe in and it's truly where you want to go with your future, then don't use that vulnerability shown against somebody.